that this discipline is coming from the love and the care that they have for their children. So, as they love and they care for their children, the discipline they exert towards their children is of the nature of kindness. So, I know I'm a parent that I'm going to discipline this child. But as I discipline this child, I'm disciplining this child for the purpose of ensuring that they do see Christ in me, in the discipline. Because if it's not through kindness, then it loses the whole meaning. It loses the whole reason why this this discipline is even taking place. And the eighth point was make home bright and happy. So with this point, I thought, as I was looking into it, for my own opinion and analysis, when we make home bright and happy, home should be the first and most important place people want to be in as a members. So when it is bright and happy, as a member of that household, I'm probably a mother or a sibling or a sister. Whatever I am as a member of that household, I make that home happy and I make that home a pleasant place to be in as a member. And all members, once they collaborate together, and that is the just the motive that becomes what what helps that family stand, because every member of that household is holding hands to making sure that with the unity of this mindset, they are making that home a bright and happy place. The ninth point, it is gentleness and peace that we want in our homes, tender ties that bind. I want to just say the 10th point, our homes must be made a Bethel, our hearts a shrine. And the last point is the first work to be done in a home is to see if the Spirit of God abides there and that every member of the household can be able to take up his cross and follow Jesus. So, in a household, we have these, as I've just shared these points that there are points that I am not gonna go over as I did in the beginning with the first points, because I think all of these points, they tie in together, and they are kind of just leading up to and